Hey everyone, it's my second video and we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button, and my channel name is Tendo TV, and I'm gonna be doing like a lot of Roblox videos, gacha life videos, all videos. So let's get into the video. We're gonna play Don't Press the Button today. Well, this time, I don't make sense, but anyways, we're gonna play Don't Press the Button, and then I'm making another video of The Floor is Lava because I really want to play that for like the first time. My sisters always play that on my account, so like they say they got a lot of wins on there, so I want to try to get one too. So I'm gonna play this game. They said it's really cool, so here coins. Ugh. Anyways, bro, my internet's so slow. Okay. I played this game before. That's not even, see, I didn't even get a freaking chance. You see that? You see that? That's how people be getting mad. They be raging. Didn't even get a chance. It's not even fair. Anyways. Nah, she didn't even give me a chance. Yeah, I'm hating on you. Bacon man. Funny neighborhood bacon man. Oh no. Oh! 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 I died. Let me eat my sandwich. There's so much wood. There's only so much. No. So much. Is that squids in my sandwich? Oh, yuck. That's disgusting. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, this is a new one. This wasn't on here before. Oh, fine. Oh, snaps. This is lit. I only got 11 seconds. Alright. I'm going as fast as I can. See, my sandwich is in the way. 32 times. Nah, see, this is nah. How y'all getting 43 and all that stuff? Oh, snap. Y'all just gonna let us fall out the sky? Oh, never mind. Ooh, who got the hot potato? I think it's the hot potato. Oh, no. They give it to me. Oh, snaps. No! My head fell off. Dang. Who was that? It's a bald-headed man. Oh no, it's supposed to be Baldy, I guess. He has a ruler. Oh, snap. What did he do to my face? I look hideous. Oh, I want that coin. She saw us when to get it too. You saw it. Pink fidget queen. Yeah, you saw me finna get that coin. You just wanted to grab it. I remember when fidget used to be popular for like 2 weeks. Like Among Us too. Among Us used to be popular. Oh shoot, that's not even fair. I jumped. Everybody saw that, right? Right. But yeah, Among Us used to be popular too. And then yeah, it stopped being popular. But yeah. Y'all are supposed to represent for the Roblox people, and y'all seem to freaking dying. It wasn't even my fault that I died. This game is just lagging. I don't know. Hacked. Alright. The first one to press the button. What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Get ready to play spinning cube. Oh shoot. Run. This never made for himself. I'm black. I need to run. Run. Oh shoot. Go up there. Nah, yeah, see? Then you turn over here. Oh shoot, then you go back over here. And then you go over here. And then yeah, you go back over here. Oh, she fell. Oh, then you go up there. Alright. And then you go right here. And then you go right here. Then you go right here. Look at me, Xbox Young Mocha 1. Yeah, that's me. Oh yeah, if y'all ever want to play with me, just like send me your username, and yeah, I'll like try to friend as much of y'all as I can, so like y'all can play with me sometime. But I'll have to unfriend y'all though, cause like I don't want to have like a ton of friends. But yeah, I'll like one day if I say like who wants to play with me, I'll like be like I'll friend like 10 people, and then like I'll unfriend y'all after we're done playing for like probably like 2 days if I'm not grounded. But yeah, I'll unfriend y'all, and then I'll friend another set of 10 people. And yeah, that's how it works. But hey, look, I made it. Dang, rest in peace. But yeah, that's how it works. I'll like friend 10 people, then I'll unfriend 10 people. Now how about this? I'll friend 10 people, and y'all stay my Roblox friends for a whole week until like that week is over. Then like I'll unfriend y'all, then I'll friend different sets of 10 people. Yeah, like that. So like I don't hate YouTubers, but like I hate when they be like I can't friend you guys. My friend requests don't work. Like how does y'all stuff not work? I want to send y'all stuff just don't work. But I bet when y'all YouTubers, y'all stuff was working, huh? And if y'all friend requests don't work, how y'all be friending y'all YouTube friends? But hey, gotta pick your battles. But anyways, I'm trying to learn this game. Oh shoot, I fell off the tree. I got 26. Oh, see, this one took one ornament. And I had 26 ornaments. These games are fun. Whack some moles. What do the moles look like? Where the moles at? Those are just some orange blocks with some freaking black eyeballs. Don't play with me. These ain't moles. I thought they was gonna be some legit moles. But eliminating Roblox. I'll let you get it. That girl. See, I'm nice. See how everybody keep trying to stay my spot because they see all the only over here, and now you see all the moles coming over here, and now everybody else wanna come over here. Yeah, that's why I got it for y'all. Nah, move. Nah, move. That's why y'all look like donuts. Bro. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I got 16. How'd she get 23? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. See. That's why I don't play this game. Oh, I hate it to the tornado. Oh, wow. It's because I'm black. Yeah. I'm coming to the conclusion. Wow. I see how this tornado. Except for the come get you, and I'm the only one that gotta save you. I ain't gonna save you no more. Oh wow! It blew me up. Dang. This is just sad.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Who was that? Oh, what happened? Why are these big heads everywhere? They got blew up. Nah, where my big head go? They're mine. This is mine, bro. Chill out. That's mine. Hey, move. You donkey. Hey, bro, give me my stuff. No, my dog. Bro. Camilla. Our Evester, you just ruined my stuff. I wish I could push you, ugly self. Ooh, what is this? Zombies are coming, run. Oh shoot, zombies, this man. What? I thought I could just go to, you know what? I'm not playing this no more. Why am I like that? Where'd my black skin go? Oh shoot. Oh, I got somebody. I died again. I'm a zombie. Oh yeah, I am a zombie. My skin is. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it now. Who the last survivor? Come here, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna escape me. Oh, she was right there too. Anyways, I'm gonna play the last game and then yeah, I'm gonna just like. Nah, I'm not gonna just hang up on this one. This one sucks. Yeah, that's why I got it. Move out the way or I'm gonna let y'all explode. Yeah, see, exploding remote should stop that fire, you know what I'm saying? Without me, y'all would explode it. Okay, play the last game, y'all, come on. Ready to push it? Yeah, I didn't even redeem myself. Y'all just pushed me off when I was first even starting. Oh! Ain't no way. Make it make sense. This is sad. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm finna play the full vlogging mix, so like, don't worry if you want some more videos from Tendo TV. I'm gonna play some more. But see you guys later. Capiche. Hey guys. So if you were paying attention to the video, what emoji did you see? Did you see a heart emoji, a smiling face emoji, or a devil emoji? Comment down below.